Africa you have seen on a map all your life is fake news.
When we talk about correct the map, some people ask, why should this matter to a non-African? The truth is, this is not just an African issue, it's a global issue.
Hi, my name is Zakia and I'm a producer at the Debrief Network. Let's debrief Africa and talk about why for centuries the Mercator projection has been the default world map. But it shrinks Africa. Look at this. Africa looks tiny, but it's actually massive. 30.37 million square kilometers, in fact. Africa is big enough to fit the US, China, India, and most of Europe all at once.
In fact, we can argue that the current depiction of the world is not geography at all, but propaganda. It was used to justify empire and also to vindicate the West's ideas of power.
The distorted map fuels cultural bias. It reinforces stereotypes and undermines the power and significance of African nations. Now, the African Union says enough is enough. They are backing the Correct the Map campaign led by Africa No Filter and Speak Up Africa to ditch the Mercator and switch to the Equal Earth projection.
So for us, correcting the map with the Equal Earth projection is not only about restoring Africa's dignity, it's about teaching truth to everyone, everywhere.
Equal Earth shows the world as it truly is, with no distortion and no bias.
If we redraw the world map and we redraw the global imagination, we better position countries and continents beyond Africa in their truth as vast, as powerful, and as important outside of the Western propaganda.
The way we draw the world shapes the way we value it. So let's draw it right, not just for Africa, but for everyone.